Welcome to the SJ House, also known as the Summer House, designed by Luciano Kruk. This video will explore the technical aspects that define this modern architectural retreat. The facade features a minimalist and robust design, primarily composed of exposed concrete. The volumes are characterized by large rectangular blocks that create a dynamic and layered appearance. Following regulating lines, an orthogonal grid organizes the house's structure and space. The house is arranged in two staggered platforms disposed at half height and connected through smoothly sloped ramp-like stairs and an empty space in which the pine forest becomes a part of the house. The cantilevered sections and recessed windows provide a sense of depth and shadow, enhancing the visual interest. The facade's linear forms and stark materiality emphasize the modernist aesthetic, while the extensive glazing integrates the interior with the natural surroundings. The glazed bridges connecting both platforms traverse the void space through a pine-surrounded promenade upon which light falls from the rooftop and drips through the tree branches. In this way, the forest's vital energy is introduced into the house. While both the exterior shell and the inner partitions are made of exposed concrete, the floors are made of smooth concrete. In order to emphasize the openings without confronting this material's stony essence, dark bronze anodized aluminum was used in the framings. The primary material, exposed concrete, is used for both structural and aesthetic purposes, offering durability and a raw, industrial look. Treated wood is utilized for interior and exterior elements, such as flooring and ceiling paneling, adding warmth and texture to the space. The expansive living room features floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors, creating a strong connection to the exterior terraces and the forest beyond. The private sleeping areas are designed as tranquil retreats, with large windows offering serene views and direct access to outdoor spaces. Large windows and strategically placed skylights ensure ample natural light throughout the house, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. SJ House by Luciano Kruk exemplifies modern architectural design, harmoniously blending technical precision with natural beauty. Its innovative use of materials, thoughtful spatial organization, and sophisticated lighting design create a unique and inspiring living environment. Thank you for joining us on this tour.